I'd also like to make special mention of our Mayor of Lawag City, my tito, Mayor Michael Marcos Keon. Ang isang legend din sa sporting world, spearheading Gintong Alay many years before I was born. Tito, thank you for reminding me to bid for this. Our hosting perhaps would not have occurred if it not for you. Palapakan po natin si Mayor Michael Marcos Keon. Maraming salamat po. Sa totoo lang, gusto po namin i-host ang closing ceremony sa aming World UNESCO Heritage Site in Paway Church. But of course, the weather has been a factor for us, so we are here at our Centennial Arena. Once again, I would like to thank all of those who have helped us host the games, our sponsors, our mayors and vice mayors, all of the volunteers, all of those who will go unmentioned and unnoticed. Maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. We thank you for strengthening our games and making sure that all of our delegates hopefully enjoyed and most importantly are still safe and sound. We also thank the Department of Education from the bottom of our hearts for giving us this opportunity and for allowing Ilocos Norte to display its traditions, its heritage, the very best of Ilocos Norte to the entire Philippines. Hopefully, soon, we can host Palarong Pambansa once again and do it even bigger and even better. Sa inyong lahat, this is not goodbye, but instead, this is see you again soon. Sana makabalik po kayo. You are always more than welcome in Ilocos Norte. Please come back with your family and your friends. Yung iba, nakita ko na kanina sa sand dunes. But the rest, baka hindi niyo pa napuntahan ang Pagudpud, ang windmills, and may Badoc Island at Solsona, Apayao pa. Please, please, please come visit Ilocos Norte again. You will be our guests of honor. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang DepEd, mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Salamat po.